Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Investor again. Today we'll cover something actually from Binance. This is one of the things which I really like, which Binance does, which is called Launchpad or Launchpool. So what is that? Launchpads and launchpools which are inside are the projects of innovation. So actually they allow you to stake your BNB to farm some other coins. And I've posted previously videos with some projects like that, and this time Binance have released a new one called Automata, and you can find it when you go to your Binance. You can see it directly here, or if there are some other news, you can actually go to those squares, then go to Launchpad, and in Launchpad you have the Launchpool which are in progress. You can always find them in Binance announcements, or if something is happening, or just follow our channel and make sure we're always covering all the Launchpools, as this is something which I really like. Why is that? Because this allows you to stake your BNB, this time also DOT and BUSD. I'm a total fan of BNB, without in a way losing it or freezing it, because you can stake it and it's flexible. You can redeem it at any moment. You're not losing value in a way. You always have access to your funds, but at the same time you're farming other token, and I think that's pretty cool, especially you're kind of getting like a win-win situation. And what is that? BNB pool, with this one, I've already did that, just to show you how to do it first, and then I'll tell you a bit more about ATA. So it's really easy. As I showed you, you just need to go here, go to Launchpad, then this will appear. Then you need to choose stake now, and I'll actually press on BNB pool because I already have some money here, but I will show you how does it work. So I'll press here, and then I see the Automata, the ATA, and here what can I do? I can either redeem or stake more. I already have 0.52 stake, but I will put some more just for the sake of this video to just show you how it works. So you go to stake, then you put how much balance do you want to put. I'll put max, which is 0.5 BNB, and I'll press stake. Successfully staked my BNB, awesome. And because I already had some BNB before, I have some rewards which I can claim. So I'll press claim rewards. And claim is successful. Awesome, I have my ATA already on my account. So now, what is nice is that Automata, the ATA, it's a decentralized service protocol that provides privacy for dApps. And what happens is that here it says in 4 days, which will be the 6th, as I remember, 7th of June, they will list on Binance. So first, they allow you to stake it and farm it with your BNB, BUSD, or Polkadot. And then at the 7th of June, you'll be able to buy it or sell it, which I think it's pretty cool. But remember, that's why when you are in Launchpad, you don't see the actual APY. APY will be visible when the ATA will hit the exchange and you can actually buy it and sell it. And let me tell you just a bit more about ATA. I think it's quite a cool project, looking that many people are looking into more decentralization, more into privacy, and this is a decentralization for dApps. And as you know, dApps are programs like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and all the others, that they're decentralized apps, which I think it's awesome, looking that this is the direction which the total blockchain goes. And when it comes to supply, the Launchpool token reward will be 40 million ATA, which is 4% of the maximum token supply, because the maximum token supply is 1 billion ATA. And when you look at the how is it divided, when it comes to staking BNB, there will be 28 million of ATA, which is 70% of that pool. Then you have BUSD, which is 4 million, which will be 10%, and the DOT Polkadot, which is 8 million, which is 20%. So obviously we see that the majority of the rewards, it's actually through BNB. I'm also staking BNB because of it, and I think it'll give me even more ATA. And this is really easy to use, because this will, when you will stake it and then redeem your ATA, it will automatically appear on your wallet. And as I mentioned in this Launchpool, you can see on the top right that this is the time until listing. So obviously it depends on what time and what day are you watching this video. It might be already listed, but I think it's, you know, it's nice and easy, and especially this is just a staking token. And when it comes to the farming period, it will last for 30 days. It launched at midnight the 2nd of June, and it will be until the 1st of July, as I saw. So at 30 days, you have an option to stake and farm that. So in a way, you know, you're using your BNB without kind of, I would say, a risk. Obviously with crypto there is always a risk, but without, you know, losing the option to sell it at any moment or freezing it. So thanks to it, you have always access to your funds, and I think that's pretty cool for everyone who likes to do it. If you want to learn more about it, just go to their website and read more about it when they want to achieve privacy and frictionless computation. There's a lot of cool stuff here, really techy. So, you know, if you're not that techy, you know, you can just grab a look at quickly at their white paper as well, which I think it's quite awesome, because they give all the information about the token. For those of you who are starting, white paper, it's like an instruction manual, the general information about the token and what they will do. And this is it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that video, and well, if you did, just leave a like and subscribe, and let me know if you are also someone who likes those launch pools. I really like them. I participated in many of them in the past. You can actually see when you go to Launchpad all the past ones. When you press view all, you will see the completed one, which is TLM, Alice. I've covered lots of them because I know it's a great way for everyone to just earn extra crypto. Thanks a lot and take care.